Good morning, students. Today class we are going to see the topic is a trapezoidal rule for double integration. Trapezoidal rule for double integration. Okay, first let us see the formula for double integration. Let us consider as I, capital I equal to integral a to b, integral c to d, f of x comma y dx dy. The formula is hk by 4 and open bracket a plus b plus c plus d plus 2 into e plus f plus g plus h plus I j plus k plus l plus 4 into m plus n plus o plus p. You can easily observe the formula in the wordings form. Hk by 4, sum of the values at the corner. Sum of the values at the corner. Please see the box. If 4 cross 4 is box is here, but I am going to give the name for the box. The corner value is A, B, C and then D. D and the remaining values on the boundary is E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L. Next the interior value I am giving the name is M, N, O, P. Okay. Using this box you can easily write the formula. Now we move on to the formula. Please see the formula which is equal to HK by 4 HK by 4 HK by 4 sum of the values of the corner. Sum of the values at the corner. What we see in the corner values? A, B, C and then D. Next plus 2 into sum of the values on the remaining nodes on the boundary. What are the values on the boundary? Already you see E, F, G, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L. These are all the boundary values, the remaining values on the boundaries because we already take the corner values. Next plus 4 into interior nodes M, N, O, P. We can easily see in the box. The interior nodes is M, N, O and then P. This is the formula. You can easily write the formula using the rectangular box. Plus HK by 4 plus HK by 4 sum of the values at the corner and plus into 2 into sum of the values on the remaining nodes on the boundary plus 4 into sum of the values on the interior node. Now I think all of you understand the formula. Now we move on to the problem. The problem is evaluate integral, double integral. First integral limits is 1 to 2 and second limit is 1 to 2 xy divided by x plus y dx dy with h and k equal to 0.25. First you have to know what is h and k. H is the interval of x. Interval of x. What is x limit? X varies from 1 to 2 because they given in the problem. X limit is 1 to 2. What is k? K is the interval of y. So y varies from 1 to, these are all given in the problem. Y limit is 1 to 2. Okay. This is the integral for x and integral for limit for x, limit for y. Okay. In the problem itself, they are given for h and k. H equal to 0.25 and k equal to 0.25. They are already given in the problem. So what is x? X is first start from the 0. The interval is 0.25. So let us add with 0. you are getting 0.25. Next, 0 point, adding to 0.25, you are getting 0.50. Next, 1.75. Next value is 1. Up to 1 you have to write. Up to 1 you have to, sorry, the limit starts from 1. So 1, 1.25, 1.5, 1.75, 2. The limits end with 2, starts with 1. Next, what is k limit? K is also given here, 0.25. So the indicates the limit for y, that is k. Y starts with 1, the same interval is 0.25. So adding with 1, 0.25, you get 1.25, 1.5, 1.75. Final value is 2. Okay. Now let us see in the box. Let us consider what is f of x comma y. You have to write here. What is f of x comma y? The formula for trapezoidal load is I equal to integral a to b c to d f of x comma y dx dy. Here the given problem is 1 to 2, again integral 1 to 2 dx xy divided by x plus y dx dy. So we compare the given problem with the integral part. Let us take f of x comma y equal to xy divided by x plus y. Okay, now we move on to the table. Now we are going to form the table. Using the table, then only we can easily write the formula for trapezoidal rule. Okay, first I'm going to split the box into here x. I'm going to write x, here y. This value is having x and this value is having y values. Okay. What is x? We already write 1, 1.25, 1.5, 1.75, 2. Y is also having the same value 1, 1.25, 1.5, 1.75, and then last value is 2. Now first how we can calculate this box? Okay, what is x here? X is 1 and y is 1. See here, f of x comma y is equal to xy divided by x plus. I am going to fill all the box using the f of x comma y. Xy divided by x plus 1. I am going to fill all the box using the function f of x comma y. Now what is x here? X equal to 1 and y, first box, x equal to 1 and y equal to 1. You are substituting in f of x comma y, 1 into 1 divided by 1 plus 1. 1 by 2, you are getting 0.5. So I am going to fill the box. Next, second box. This box we are going to find. What is x here? X equal to 1.25, y equal to 1. So I am going to substitute in the f of x comma y, 1.25 into 1 divided by 1.5. 2 pi plus 1 which is equal to, the answer is 0.555. I'm going to fill in the box 0.556. Next, third box. Third box, how we can calculate? Using the value x is 1.5 and y is 1. So, f of x comma y is 1.5 into 1 divided by 1.5 plus 1. The answer is 0.6. So I'm going to fill in the third box 0.6. Similarly, we can find all the values. I'm going to write all the values using your calculator. You can easily find 636, 0.6667, and then when x is 1, y is 1.5, the value is 0.556, 0.625, 0.681, 0.729, 0.769, 0.6, 0.6818, 0.75, 0.807, 0.8571, 0.66, 0.729, 0.807, 0.875, 0.933, 0.667. Can you understand how we get the point 0.6672? Next time I'll explain how we can get the value x equal to x equal to 1, y equal to 0.66, sorry, y equal to 2, x equal to 1, y equal to 2. F of x comma y equal to x having 1 and y having 2, x plus y, 1 plus 2 is, we are getting the answer is 0.667. This value we are writing in the table. Next, similarly, 0.769, 0.857, 0.9333, By using trapezoidal rule, already I explained the formula. I think already you know the formula, that is I equal to HK by 4, okay, sum of the values on the corners plus 2 into sum of the values on the boundary except the corner. Plus, you have to mark up the formula. Sum of the values on the interior. This is the formula. Okay. Now I am going to fill all the values. H. What is H? 0.25. What is K? 0.25 divided by 2. This is the formula, into sum of the values on the corner. What is the corner value? 0.5, 0.667 plus 1 plus 0.6667. These are, can you understand? The corner value 0.5. These are the corner value. Plus 2 into remaining values on the boundary 0.636, 0.6 plus 0.556 plus 0.556 plus 0.6 plus 0.636 0.7692 plus 4 into the remaining the interior nodes, the interior value 0.625 plus 0.6818 plus 0.729 plus 0.681 plus 0.75 plus 0.807 plus 0.729 plus 0.807 plus 0.87. These are all the values. So calculate using your calculator. You can easily find out the value. Carefully you have to use the calculator. First you have to sum these values, and next you have to sum these all these values. Next you have to sum these values, and you have to multiply 0.0156 into 2.8334 plus 2 into 8.7032 plus 4 into 6.6874. Calculating this, finally you get the answer is 0.73303. That is I equal to, this is the answer of trapezoidal rule using double integration. Thank you.